Hey there, fellow Linux enthusiasts. Let's talk about something that's both simple and surprisingly handy in the Linux world, the uptime command. You know how we geeks love to keep an eye on our system's performance, right? Well, think of uptime as a quick peek at your system's pulse. It's one of those little commands that often gets overlooked, but once you know how to use it, you'll find yourself integrating it into your daily Linux routine. Whether you're a seasoned sysadmin or just starting your Linux journey, understanding the uptime command can give you valuable insights into your system's activity. So what exactly does this magical command do? It tells you how long your system has been up and running. Simple, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's packed with useful information just waiting to be unlocked. The uptime command is like that trusty old clock on your wall, but instead of telling you the current time, it tells you how long your Linux system has been awake. It's a quick and easy way to see how long it's been since your last reboot, which can be helpful for a number of reasons. For example, if you're troubleshooting a system issue, knowing the uptime can help you determine if the problem started after a recent reboot. Or, if you're managing a server, you can use the uptime information to track system availability and identify any potential issues. The output of the uptime command is pretty straightforward. It typically shows the current time, how long the system has been running, the number of users currently logged in, and the average system load over the past 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Don't worry, we'll break down each of these components in more detail later on. The beauty of the uptime command lies in its simplicity and the wealth of information it provides at a glance. It's a fundamental tool in a Linux user's arsenal, offering valuable insights into the system's operational history. Alright, enough with the theory. Let's get our hands dirty and see the uptime command in action. Open up your favorite terminal emulator, take a deep breath, and type in the following uptime. Hit enter and voila! You should see something like this. October 25th, 33, up 20 days, 1403, 2 users, load average, 0.05, 0.12, 0.18. Now let's dissect this output like a bunch of digital detectives. October 25th, 33 is simply the current time on your system. The up 20 days, 1403 part is the real MVP here. It tells you that the system has been running for a solid 20 days and 14 hours. Now that's impressive. The 2 users part indicates that there are currently 2 users logged into the system. Finally, we have the load average values, which give you an idea of how busy your system has been over the past 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Lower numbers are generally better here, indicating less system strain. And there you have it, your first successful encounter with the uptime command. Easy peasy, right? Section 3. Unmasking hidden uptime secrets, exploring command options. Now that you're acquainted with the basic usage of uptime, let's spice things up a bit and explore some cool options that give you even more control over the output. Think of these options as secret ingredients that add a dash of flavor to your uptime experience. If you're a fan of brevity and prefer your information concise, the P option is your new best friend. Simply append it to the uptime command like sobash uptime p, and you'll be greeted with a minimalistic output displaying only the uptime duration. Up 20 days, 14, 10. But what if you want to delve deeper into the system load details? Fear not, the V option is here to the rescue. Type in bash uptime, V, and prepare to be amazed by a verbose output that reveals the version information of the uptime command itself. This can be particularly useful if you're working with multiple Linux systems or need to check for compatibility issues. Remember, these are just a couple of examples of the many options available with the uptime command. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the man pages for a complete list of options and their functionalities. Conclusion: level up your Linux prowess. Congratulations, my friend. You've successfully added another weapon to your ever-growing Linux arsenal. The uptime command, despite its unassuming nature, packs a punch when it comes to providing valuable system information. Remember, the journey of a Linux learner is never-ending. There's always something new to discover, a new command to master, a new challenge to overcome. So, keep that curiosity burning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of your Linux knowledge. If you enjoyed this little adventure into the world of uptime, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting Linux tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy coding.